they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in.
Another one, another one.
Hey loves, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back. Today we are talking about affirmations, affirmations, affirmations. What are affirmations? Well, I personally feel like affirmations are things you say to encourage yourself. So just to make sure I was on the right page, you know, as far as what the definition I was going to give it, turns out I am. So, got my handy dandy notes. Sometimes I feel like I should play Dora. Like, how did it go?
Dora.
No, not Dora. What's the one when she be like, my handy dandy
nap
pack. But I thought it was notebook. I feel like I should say notebook.
What is this now?
This is my youngest, Janae.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
And then that's my son, Joe. And that's my other baby, London. Okay, they don't want to see you all the time. Okay, anyways, y'all met most of my children. Just now they wanted to do a cameo. They always say, Mom, can I get in your videos? Can I get in your videos? I'm like, next time. So, you see, they video bombed me just now. Not photo bomb, video bomb. So, back to what I was saying as far as affirmations. Nay, I'm recording. Thank you. She tiptoeing by. So, affirmations, when I looked it up just to make sure that I was, saying the right thing and was giving you all the right definition, and I looked it up and it stated that affirmations are positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When repeated often and believe in them, that keyword, believe in them, and repeat it often, you can start to make positive changes. Self-affirmation may also help to mitigate the effects of stress. I agree 100%. I'm just saying that because, don't judge me, but some people say that's witchcraft. But like I've kind of mentioned in other videos, like I'll burn white. I love candles. So one day I decided to look up what are the colors, the meaning of the colors of, the candles. So pretty much I burn white candles. I'm a spiritual person. I'm not a religious person, but I'm a spiritual person. So I like to clear my aura, clear my house of any negativity, any negative energy, and try to keep it out. So I burn white candles a lot. So I'll say a prayer over my candle and then light it. And I tell everybody, my whole family knows, do not blow my candle out. You better not blow my candle out. Somebody getting in trouble if they blow my candle out. So, because that's like a continuous prayer that goes up. So, anyway, I'll say, and the prayer to me is kind of like affirmations. To a certain extent, I might be stretching it, but that's just personally how I feel. Don't judge and don't drag me, because that's how I feel. To each his own. But I'm only saying this a little bit like that because of the fact that when you say a prayer, you're speaking to God and you're talking and you're walking in faith and you're speaking positivity into your life. And affirmations is some statements you make positive statements, and you're speaking that into your life. Like they say, words are powerful. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Words are powerful. You know, if you always say, oh, something bad always happens to me, it happens. You know, so try to stay away from negative talk. You know, even when something negative does happen, just try to block it any way you can. Just block it, block it, block it, block it, block it. In the name of Jesus, in the name of, if you believe in Jesus and stuff, or no, stop it. Stop. Don't do that. That's all I can say. So anyway, back to what I was talking about, affirmations. When you set up your affirmations, I've come to learn after, you know, studying it for a while that you do not want to say stuff like, let's say if you're a smoker, I will stop smoking. No, because that's putting it into a future tense, if that's the right wording. That's putting it into a future tense. So when you speak, when you state your affirmations, state them in present tense. Like I have stopped smoking. I am, and don't put words like not, because that seeps into your head and all your brain, subconscious, not your brain, your subconscious, it'll just hear not. And then, how was it explained? I know I'm probably explaining it wrong, but don't use words like not and stuff. Set it up as if you're, in the present tense, like, I'm trying to word it right, because I've been stopped smoking. I used to smoke Black and Miles, but I've been stopped. So I'm trying to say, I'm just going to put it like this, okay? Because I say my affirmations, but mine are very personal, so I'm not going to read you all mine. So pretty much, basically, like, okay, I start off with, I am confident. You know, I am business savvy. I am financially stable. I am, what's another example? I am open to an abundance of opportunities. Whatever comes my way, I embrace it with open arms. Stuff like that. Just to give you an example. If I confuse you, please leave a comment and stuff. Or if you think this is helpful, leave a comment. And then if you have any ideas that you'd like to share, like as far as affirmations, how you write your affirmations, leave that in the comments as well. And stuff. So, what else? Affirmations, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share another motivational tip with you all. This one is about affirmations. Remember, go back to my first All I Do Is Win video, and All I Do Is Win in 2019 video, and I talked about the 6 steps that I always do whenever I'm pursuing something, you know. And that's affirmations is one of them. And I can honestly say it works. It really works. Like going back to when I mentioned burning the candles. I say my prayer over the candles. And I only do this like if I'm in a negative situation. Mostly it's like with jobs and stuff. Like if I had a job, I'm no longer happy there. And I feel like they're not treating me right. And I'm feeling my stress going up because I'm a worrier. I worry. I get stressed out easily because I'm the type of person I should work at, risk management or risk control department and stuff, because I have a plan for a plan for a plan for a plan. So anyway, back to what I was saying, because I'm rambling now. But, you know, I say my prayer, and then like I've burnt my candles or lit my candles, and did it for when I was wanting to find another job that was a better situation for me. And I kid you not, every time I do that and I stay in a positive mind frame, I say my affirmations, I stay focused, I stay determined, I listen to stuff that'll keep me uplifted. What else? I stay in prayer. I try to avoid negativity as much as possible and stuff. And if something negative were to happen, I just try to figure out ways to not let it affect me for too long. I would say, you know, either by, if it's somebody that's bothering me or bringing negativity my way, I distance myself from that person. Or if I'm in a negative situation, like I said, for example, like a job I had, you know, I did a lot of work, like contract work, so it gets stressful when new companies come in and they do a merger and then they lay off, you know, and usually I would have just gotten hired. So it was like they say, first come, first to go. So that's nerve-wracking because I have kids I have to feed. So it's like, and I was tired of looking for jobs. So that's why part of why I'm in the field that I'm in now. Plus I love kids, you know, I have 4, 5, one more on the way. So anyway, just that type of stuff. So just, if you haven't written your affirmations, definitely start. Like I said, I'm going to check back in February 8th so I can see how you all are doing with our strategies so far. If you applied them, have you noticed any changes yet? Because by the 8th, it'll be about a month. So hopefully you did. And like I said, we'll touch base. So in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you. Remember to tell yourself, I am irrefutable. BKA, I'm impossible to deny. Peace.
Another one. Yeah.
Stay down my day one.